What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one Google account using your desktop. First, open up your web browser and head to studio.youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube Studio page, sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Next, in the bottom left corner, click on a gear icon at the bottom left to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on Channel on the left side, and then head to the Advanced Settings tab. Now scroll down to find the Manage YouTube Account option at the end. Here, you will see an option that says Add or Manage Your Channels. For those of you creating your first additional channel, you will see the option to create a new channel instead. Click on it. In the pop-up window, you can now set up your new channel. Start by selecting a profile picture, entering a channel name, and choosing a unique handle for your channel. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create Channel. Your new channel will now be created. You can follow the same steps to create more multiple YouTube channels. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.